Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can add any NFC card to Apple Wallet. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, open App Store on your mobile device and search for NFC tools. After that, open this app and make sure to download it. Once the downloading completed, tap on the open button and you will be redirected to this page. Now, activate the NFC tag and hold it close to your iOS device. Once you do that, Apple Wallet app will promptly recognize the NFC tag availability, and it will then provide you the options to add the card to it. So you just need to follow the on-screen instructions, and once done, you will be able to add the NFC card to your Apple Wallet. That's how you can add any NFC card to Apple Wallet. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.